Make sure to watch this entire video before you do your oil pan job on your 93 to 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Alright, so I got a 1996 Jeep Grand Cherokee that I've been working on. As you can see, the axle is dropped a lot. If you are working on one of these and you are having to take apart the steering linkage, because it's about that time for a lot of these you need to be replacing the tie rod ends and the ball joints and all that. As you can see, I've replaced the ball joints. These are new on both sides, and I also did the oil pan. Now, as you can see, there's no exhaust there right now because I kind of cut it. If you want a little pro tip on doing a frickin' oil pan, unbolt the Y pipe from the manifold and then cut the driver's side part of the Y pipe out. Just cut it. Just do yourself a favor, cut that out, because what you can do is you can unbolt it, and then if you cut out that portion of the Y pipe, the driver's side, okay, you can basically have just gobs of room. Will you need to drop the axle as far as I did? Not necessarily. I did this because I was trying to pry it out and it wasn't working for me, and then I was trying to put it back in and the exhaust caused me some problems. So just do yourself a favor, cut out the driver's side of the Y pipe. You won't have to lower this axle so far, and you'll be able to basically drop it, slide it back, and then you can do what you need to do. The actual procedure is jacking up the transmission and the transfer case and having those supported, taking out the transmission mount and cross member, and then unbolting the exhaust Y pipe from the manifold and then dropping it. In my opinion, that is too much work when you can literally just cut that out and put on a band clamp and seal up the exhaust system that way. Oh, and don't forget, before, okay, before you take out that oil pan, remove the transmission inspection plate. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and stay tuned.